My name is Alex, and I'm going to show you how to take a Photoshop document and convert it to a JPEG in Photoshop. So we have our Photoshop document here, and if you do a bunch of filters and such on it and you want to save these filters, you can basically go to, there's a specific way that you have to do this. You have to go to File, Save for Web and Devices. This is going to open up a window that shows you basically all your options to save it. And so select JPEG. And I'd say high or very high. I'd just select high because a high quality wise is going to look just fine. And you say save, and then you save the picture. And then it saves, and then you go to open, and then look under your picture file, and it should be right there. And then do yourself a favor, and if you wanted to save the same, just hit Control S, but if you don't want to save the changes, just click out of it and you say, no, I don't want to save the changes. And then it already has saved your JPEG, so you're all set. My name is Alex, and this is how you convert a Photoshop document to JPEG in Photoshop. Thank you.